Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. Well guys, in case in this new year 2026, if you would like to make your dream come true, for example have the healthier body or the fitter body, and in case if you would like to start your workout in this year too, so in this video I will share you the special platform that will guide you, let's say, about how to do the workout and let's say train the specific muscle. So without any further ado, and let's get into the video. Well guys, the platform that you can use over here is the MuscleWiki.com. So you can simply visit it and you don't have to do the login with your account or the email, or you can also make the account too if you want to by clicking this section. And for today I will specifically give the demonstration or give you the tutorial in case if you'd like to train the certain body or the certain muscle. For example, if you would like to train the bicep muscle like this, so you can simply direct your cursor and select this one, and it's gonna direct you into the video. But before jump into this video and the guidance, so this MuscleWiki gonna overview, let's say, about the benefits and also the package, I guess. And you will have 1 week free package, and these are the benefits. And in case if you are interested with this one, so you can simply select this rhythm 1 week free. And let's go back to the section. So don't worry in case if you'd like to train this muscle, because they will give you the, let's say, the title of this movement, and of course the video tutorial like this guys, and also the explanation or the step-by-step to do this movement guys. And don't worry, because how to train this muscle, not only this one, but there are a lot of techniques over here. Not only the chin-ups, but also the barbell curl, dumbbell preacher curl, dumbbell incline curl, until in this page of 51. Kindly wait. So this gonna direct you into this section until the end of this technique. Isn't that cool, right? And if you go back to the home here, there will be the several settings over here. For these two, you need to make the account first, and also you need to do the subscription for this platform guys. And in case if you are the female, so you just need to select this section or select this toggle until it will be activated into the female body type or body composition. And these are the muscle of the woman's body. And if you would like to go back to the male version, so you can select it back like this. And for this equipment, which means if you'd like to, let's say, train this, let's say this pectoral or the chest muscle, so you can go to the featured, or if you own the dumbbells only, so you can mark these dumbbells. This is the equipment that can help you to train the every single muscle in this body guys. So you can pick one, or for the featured, it will give you a lot of techniques and movement using this all of the equipment guys. So it's the featured is the compilation of the movement using this all equipment. And there will be another cool application or the platform again, which is the calorie count. So you can simply go to this tool and go to this calorie calculator. And also you can do the settings here, whether that you are male or female. And for example, here I will use the female. And since I'm in Asia now, so I will use the metric unit. Or if you are used to or get used to using this imperial units, which is using the pound for the weight and also the head using the feet, you can go to these imperial units. And for example, let me do the metric units. And the age, for example, I will type 30. And also the height gonna be 160. And the weight I have now, oh my god, I'm very overweight, I'm sorry. So this year I have this 79. So how to know about the calorie that I would like to achieve in case I want to have the fat loss or the weight loss? So you need to decide or choose the activity level that you have now. About the activity level, whether that's sedentary, light, moderate, active, or very active, which one? And for example, I will start from the light version. And the goal over here, I want to get the weight loss. Well, actually, I will need the fat loss because weight loss and also the fat loss is two different things. For example, this one, and click the calculate. So the calorie intakes I need to have daily will be like this, guys. So you can start to use this calorie calculator because again, in case if you'd like to have the specific body type, you need food to regulate your body and also nourish your body, guys. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this MuscleWiki, and I hope you always stay healthy and happy, guys. And in case if you have any question or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. And I hope this video finds you helpful too. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.